mushroom Beyond Burger dinner. That is going to be pretty fast and simple meal. So if you don't have it at home, just use tofu instead of that. And that's going to work perfectly for you. So basically, I'm going to boil potatoes, 1 small bag. You can have less. I just have to feed my family, home family. And I also purchased 60 ounces of mushrooms, white mushrooms, which I'm going to use all because I love my mushrooms. And I will boil my mushrooms with 1 green pepper cut already into small pieces and 1/2 of onion. I will combine mushrooms, onions, and green peppers with my Beyond Burger. Again, instead of Beyond Burger, you can use tofu. But I thought that would be something different, therefore I'm going to use it today. First, what I'm going to do, I will boil potatoes. I'm not going to show you how to boil them. Everybody pretty much knows. Maybe some people don't, but I say most people know how to boil them. In the meantime, I will make little balls from it. It is so easy to make it, and I'm not adding any spice with it. So just very tiny little balls. I will transfer my balls into a larger pot, which is this one. But before that, I will add a little bit oil into the pot. And today I'm going to use coconut oil. Why? Just something different for a change. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. Those are my balls I just created, and I'll go ahead, put them in the pot now. So I'm going to fry them for about 8 minutes, and while frying, I'm going to turn them over, just not to get burned. I'm using medium-high heat, 8 minutes. Now I'm going to add onions and pepper with it. I'm going to give it a nice sear. Just make sure do not turn your balls while you're doing this. And I'm going to let it saute, let it fry until the veggies are soft and nice. And it is time for me to add all the mushrooms with my mixture now. Go again. Okay, just mix a little bit. I'm going to cover it up and let it simmer until they're soft and nice. And look at that beautiful sauce was being created. This is what we wanted. Meantime, I'm going to show you what else I'm going to use with our beautiful meal. So I'm going to add, at the end, I'm going to add almond milk. This one is unsweetened one. A little bit of salt, cumin, garlic powder. Of course, you can use fresh garlic if you like to. Black pepper and poultry seasoning. Look how beautiful everything turned out. It is time to add spice now. Poultry seasoning, garlic powder, ground cumin taste, a little bit of salt, and black pepper. I'm going to mix it well and let all the ingredients to interact with each another. This is how my meal turned out so far. Looking really, really great. And those are all my already boiled potatoes, which are going to go with my mushroom mixture. Now I'm going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar with it, just for the extra flavor. 1 little teaspoon. Cinnamon, just for a little bit of extra sweetness. And I also decided to add a little bit of nutritional yeast. Just a little bit. Okay. And as I mentioned before, a little bit of almond milk. It doesn't have to be cooked with mushrooms. Just add it at the end. Finally, I'm adding fresh dill, which is going to bring this wonderful taste into my beautiful mushroom mixture. Okay? I really encourage you to use dill. It's not only for the flavor, also for the smell. Yeah, and you know, it's very, very healthy as well. Okay, time to combine all those ingredients now. It's looking amazing. If you decided to make it, you're really going to enjoy it. All right, let me show you. Look at this beautiful meal. Wow. It smells great, and I know it is delicious. And those are my potatoes. Gonna be yummy. And look at the wonderful sauce that had been created by just combining all the ingredients I used today. Wow, looks so delicious. I know it's great. I know it's great. Let's eat my beautiful meal. Awesome. Make it. I'm telling you, this is a great meal. Fast, simple, and delicious. Of course, ingredients you can find at home or at your grocery store. That meal is going to disappear soon. So, if you enjoy my recipe, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. And you can also write a comment. Don't forget to go vegan for animals. And I will see you next time in my new video. Bye everyone.